How to unsubscribe from Priceline emails. Hey, welcome. So today I'll be teaching you how to unsubscribe from Priceline email. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So the first thing you have to do is to make sure you download the Priceline app. Then you create an account on Priceline. So here I've opened the Priceline app. So once you open your Priceline app, this is the particular interface you're going to see. Here at the top right corner, you see the hotels icon. Then after that is the cars icon. Also at the top left corner, you see the flight icon. Okay, so at the lower part of the screen, you see the book icon, you see my trips icon, you see notification icon, then you see the three dots indicating more options icon. So you can just scroll down the page. So you see the option. So you see several things that, so you have an overview of what Priceline is all about. So back to the question, how to unsubscribe from Priceline emails. At the lower left corner of the screen, you see three dots. You click on the three dots, that is the more icon. Then after clicking on the three dots, a drop down will be displayed right on your screen, and there are several options on the drop down. You have the sign out option, you have the text option, you have several other options right on your screen. So since you want to unsubscribe, the option is not particularly on the drop down, but you can click on the frequently asked questions. That is the second to the last option on the drop down, to be in order for you to be redirected to the help center, who is going to help you communicate solutions or answers to your question on how to unsubscribe from Priceline emails. Okay, so the help center page is loaded. So here the first thing you're going to see is the help center, then the question, how can we help you? So after that is a box, is a search box where you can search out articles, or basically articles that can be of help to your questions. Also you have popular questions that have been asked on the help center. We have the hotel cancellation, flight cancellation, rental car cancellation. We have several other options, so you can scroll down the page to just explore the help center page. So now you go back to the top part of the help center page and you click on the search icon, then you type out the question, how to unsubscribe to Priceline email. So you have to be patient on this app. Okay, so once you're done typing out the question, you click on the enter button, then you wait for the solutions or the instructions or the articles to be displayed right on your screen. So you can see that there are several answers already, or several articles. There are 30 results, that is 30 answers to the question, how to unsubscribe to Priceline email. So make sure you go through the answers and follow the instructions. Okay, so once you follow the instructions, so you'll be able to successfully unsubscribe from Priceline email. So it's very simple. Okay, just make sure you read through the several answers that will be displayed right on your screen, and you follow those instructions carefully. Okay, so this is simply how to unsubscribe from Priceline email. Thank you.